This is the Arduino Leonardo joystick. I currently have an y-axis, an x-axis, and this little thumbstick. And then the thumbstick has a button by pressing down. I call that button 0. And then this one is button 31. So that goes to the USB to my computer, and I'll go into the game controller settings. There's Arduino Leonardo. If I go into properties, pulls up a little tester. So this controller has the ability to program 32 buttons, button 0 through button 31. So I'll simulate the button 1 press. You can kind of hear it, and you see the number 1. And then button 31, or button 32, which is what I have programmed as button 31. But button 31 is the 32nd button in 0 through 31 buttons. And then analog control. It's my y-axis, my x-axis. If I let go of the thumbstick, just centers perfectly. So this code allows you to have 8 analog axes and 32 digital buttons.